Hello and welcome to Emerald Meadows, your one-stop channel for all things RC and crafting. Today we're going to be talking about a 3D printer that I purchased. And again, if you check, I get nothing for free. Everything I do, I spend money on. This is actually I purchased for a friend, and normally they send it to me first and I can set it up for them. But this is the Monoprice Select Mini 3D printer. I had picked up another one from Hobby King that was a mini. It didn't work that well. It was an enclosed unit. You physically couldn't get your hand in there to do any adjustments. So I purchased this one instead. This is the Monoprice Select Mini, and it came out of the box. I actually plugged it in. I actually fed in the filament and printed it out. It was perfect. I've actually printed out a few other objects. I mean, they recommend that you do the bed leveling, and I did, but the bed was level right out. It has a build tack surface, which is great. Everything sticks to it really nice. And although it has a Bowden tube, and for those of you that are familiar with using a Bowden tube, make sure that you put a nice brim on there so that you get the flow of the filament before it actually starts printing your object. If you do that, it will work really well. But this is a fantastic unit. Small build surface, 5 inches by 5.5 by 6 inches high. But if you're just starting out of the box, I got this from Amazon.com. I had purchased some from China, but if there's any problems with it, it is hell to get any servicing. I did get servicing, but it's literally months. Monoprice, it's North American serviced. I bought it from Amazon. It was at my house in 2 days. I think I'm going to be giving up on going to China to save a couple of bucks on the printers, because there are problems with this type of device, more so than any of the other RC hobbies where it's much more stable. There could be all kinds of problems with the Bowden tube, the head, the fans, the input screens. This little unit has a beautiful little input screen. The fabricator that I got from Hobby King, I'll put a link to that, worked right off Wi-Fi, so it was very hard. You had to do everything from Repetier or Cura. This one here has a screen so you can do your adjustment right on the screen. Definitely the way to go, including feeding in the element. So if you're starting out in 3D printing, I'd have to say that the Select Mini from Monoprice is the way to go. And also purchase it from Amazon.com or Monoprice. You won't be disappointed because you will have the service you need to move it in the future. So for those of you that watch this channel, you know that this is my review on printer number 5. So this isn't my first printer, this is my 5th printer, and I love this little sucker. Anybody starting out, you can spend it. This is $220. So you could spend thousands, and I guarantee you it isn't going to work as this, because it's a 3D printer, fixed filament technology. It's not rocket science, but this is definitely the way to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll send you the links to where you can buy this Monoprice Select 3D printer. I love this sucker, and if you're starting out in 3D printing, buy this, buy nothing else. I guarantee you it'll work great for you. Thank you, and we'll see you next time in Emerald Meadows. Bye-bye for now.